Welcome to Spy Opinion, your go to source for unlocking the secrets of success in the digital realm. I'm Amir Zahor, your guide on this journey through side hustles, passive income ideas, freelance opportunities, digital marketing strategies, and honing digital skills. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting to explore the possibilities of the online world, Spy Opinion is here to equip you with the knowledge and insights needed to thrive in the digital landscape. Join us as we explore the strategies, tools, and tactics that will empower you to elevate your online presence, boost your income, and stay ahead in this fast paced digital era. From mastering freelance platforms to discovering the latest digital marketing trends, we've got it all covered. Spy Opinion is not just a channel, it's your partner in success. Don't miss out on the latest tips, tricks, and trends. Hit that subscribe button and let's begin this exciting journey together.